Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to drag any text into your file dock in your OnePlus 15. So first you have to copy any text, select any text. So here for example we have hard reset definition, and we have to hold our finger and select this text we want to copy. Now if you have it selected, hold your finger on the text and here save to file dock. At first you have to make sure that you do have file dock enabled and Smart Sidebar enabled. Now if we swipe to the Smart Sidebar and file dock, we do have our text here. We can clear it by tapping clear over here. Tap clear file dock, and that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.